Taping down your carpets the wrong way can damage your floors. Let me show you how to do it the right way. Standard practice is to place a grip sheet underneath your rug. This will keep your rug from sliding around on the floor. What it can't do is keep your corners from flaring up, which can become a tripping hazard. To get around this, we're going to tape them down. This is carpet tape, and it's made exactly for this purpose. But if you have a really textured rug, you need something with a little more grit, which is why I'm using mounting tape. The first rule before applying any kind of carpet tape is protect your floors. Do that with painter's tape. So I've marked the edge of where I want my final rug position to be. Then I place down a protective layer on my floor. Now, all I need to do is place my mounting tape on. The mounting tape is stuck to the painter's tape and not my hardwood floor. This will protect my floor from the adhesive ripping up the finish as it sits over time. You're not gonna trip, your floors are safe, and you know your floors are done the right way. In a minute, blood's coming back. Okay.